What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna have a sponsor in the channel, Talent Soap Factory, The Abyss. I don't know how many of you guys have seen this soap, but it smells really good. It's very unique. So it looks like off the tub, I'd give it a 4.5. Scent notes: cucumber, lemon, lime, ozone, grapefruit, neroli, cumin, coriander, musk, and patchouli. I do not have it completely mixed because I just don't. It's a really nice vegan base. Talent's never failed for me. Great base. He has very unique scents, which I enjoy as well. He doesn't try to push a soap every week. It's really cool too, because it becomes overwhelming for a lot of us, and if it doesn't for you, then I guess it just doesn't. Alright, so I've applied the Phoenix Accoutrements Phoenix Artisan Accoutrement Gel. It's really nice to add to your lather or just straight to the desired shaving area. So I've got my Badlands brush here with a 3-band silver tip in it. It's called I forgot what it's called, the Purple Skyline, I think. It's a really cool brush by Melvin. Give him some love over on Etsy. I did purchase his brush, but really good brush maker. Highly recommend it. And his son helps him make a lot of his brushes. And I believe he made this one. Possibly, I don't know for sure. Razor of choice is going to be the one blade core because I can't afford the others. Hey, one blade. I want to try out your other two razors because this is just too light for me. I don't like the plastic head of it. I just bought it because I wanted to try out the angle of it and get the feel for it. But right now I have a carbon steel gem blade. Obviously I took the spine off to fit it, but I do love how the razor has the little feet pegs for the sharp ends. That's great. I just cut my face open on a razor, or my head open with a razor the other week, which could have been prevented if they would have added the little feet pegs, whatever you want to call them. Look at that. It does rinse out extremely well. It does pivot. I have about 4 days growth, so it's quite a bit of growth to mow down. I don't even know if they intended this for a head shaving razor, but I think every razor should be able to shave the head with no problem. I mean, if people are shaving their heads with straights. There's no reason why a SE or a DE, mainly SEs, that I see the problem with the angles. But not with this, because like I said, it curves to your skin, but you're only using one blade, which isn't going to give you irritation. Comes with a nice stand. I mean, if you just want a cheap, I paid $25 for this. It was on a deal back in a couple years ago. It comes with a lay down stand. I don't really care for these carbon blades, but I just don't care for the steel, because you're only going to be able to use it once, unless you, it's a very nice smell. You're only going to be able to use the carbon blade once unless you dry it off immediately and add oil to it. So you might get away with not adding anything to it once, but after that one time, it's going to start corroding if you don't add anything. I noticed that from experience, but what I'm getting lathered up, I'd give it a 5.5, 6. Very non-offensive scent. I'd recommend this for office, hanging out with the boys, stuff like that. Would not recommend it for a date night or nighttime at all. I think it would mesh well with pretty much any type of weather, but I'd probably say summer and spring be the top two. The hair pouring out of this razor is insane. Like, this is so much hair, but it's taking it down. I just don't like the Persona blades or whatever. I can't remember the brand. The feather blades that these are supposed to take don't agree with my skin. They're not very sharp, in my opinion. The DE feather blades, yeah, very sharp. No problem whatsoever with them. But the single edge feather blades are not for me. See, clogged. Oh. I've gotten plenty of head shaves, BBS, with this razor. I just didn't have this much growth. This is definitely a razor for a couple days growth. I would definitely wouldn't let it get past 3 days growth. I think I'm right around 3.5, 4. So, especially on the head. I mean, the face is a totally different story. That's why I am challenging this razor to the dome. I think it would work a lot better if it had that weight in it, like the stainless steel version and the other version. You just can't get enough weight down on the head for this plastic headed version. For this many days growth, I'm not knocking the brand or the razor because it works. It just doesn't work well on head shaves of this many days growth. That's all I'm saying. And I've always gotten a good shave with these blades. I just don't like the aftercare of the first use. The blade is sharp and it will cut. It's just getting all those soft hairs and lather don't like to mix. My hair on my head is very, very soft, so what I have left. And by the way, anybody from Southern Witchcraft watching this, I just used grapefruit too the other day. It was great. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend this razor for maybe the other models, but I definitely would not recommend this razor for a head shave. That was a fail. I don't know what the other razors can do, but hopefully they can do a better shave than that on the head with the 3 passes. I mean, I've got patches everywhere. And I do know how to use the razor, so don't tell me I don't know how to use the razor. It's from the days of growth. I'm not saying this is a shit razor, so don't jump in the comments sideways on me. Or do, I don't care. Anyway, peeps, I've got to do this again, obviously. So, yeah, I'm feeling a really nice chill from that gel. So, I highly recommend that. I bought this as well, so don't tell me I got it for free. I highly recommend it. It's great stuff. But I am going to review this real quick. This is the Splash. Would I buy this in again? Probably. I couldn't give you a yay or a nay yet. Oh yeah, definitely. Splash is really nice. Once the alcohol dies down, it's a great, can't complain about it scent, and it's you can find affiliate links for him in my description, but I think he's doing most of his stuff on his website now. So if you can't find him over on Etsy, which I just checked for him over on Etsy, he has one soap up, but I don't know. I haven't checked his site recently, but go over there and show Aaron some love. Check out my links, all that, and hopefully we'll see you next time with a successful shave. All right, guys, shave on.